Okay, hi Mrs. Dollins and Willow. So what I did is I used all of Willow's information to log in as Willow. Because like I said, you guys are able to access her Google Classroom from any device. Um, if you're using the Chromebook, then she should automatically have her classes page. So from what I'm understanding, you are able to get here. Here's the Zoom link that I posted. And then here's the Raz Kids link. And then if I go in here and I click on the link, you should be able to get to this screen. And then when I click on Willow's name, hopefully, really quickly, let me go back. Hopefully you are seeing this screen. It already has my username in and the classroom. You just have to click on Willow. If that's not working for you, I'm not really quite sure because since I'm doing this, I'm over here as Willow, then I wouldn't quite be sure what it is. But okay, so I click on Willow and then her name, no capitals or spaces, Willow, and then the number 7 because she's the number 7, and then go. I'm able to get to this screen for reading A to Z for kids. And if I go into her reading room, it has her leveled books according to her instructional reading level. And then I can go to the leveled books for her. And these are all of the H books that she has access to and the different topics. There we go. Fiction series. So like I said, I did go in as Willow. I am not on my teacher account at all. Um, you can see up here in the corner, first, Buckeye Woods Elementary School, Willow A. Dollins. It has all of her login information. Again, I click on the link. I click on the link again. Oh, let me log out really quickly. Go back one more time. The other thing is too, that even like the teachers and we've been talking about is we feel like a lot of the programs are um, glitching or maybe on overload. Okay, reload. There we go. So I was able to get to this page. Click on Willow's name, Willow 7. Okay, and then go the reading room. So I was able to log in. Maybe try it again, and if it still doesn't work, let me know. If it doesn't work, I'm not really quite sure what's going on. Hopefully this helps.